Fat burners for women over 40. While losing weight, especially belly fat, is relatively hard for young women, it's even harder for women aged 40 or more. It usually takes a lot of effort for women of this age to lose weight, especially in specific parts of the body. Fortunately, there are efficient fat burners available in the market today. For the new system to lose weight fast, click the link in the description. These fat burners help women have their dream bodies easier. There are women who have tried different fat burners and they will agree that not all fat burners are created equal. Here are some tips for those who are looking for the perfect fat burner. The price to pay. When it comes to fat burners, often, quality comes at a significant cost. Therefore, it is best to stay away from fat burners which are too cheap. However, you should also bear in mind that cheap is definitely different from cost-effective. A fat burner is cheap when it offers many miracles at an impossibly low cost. Most likely, it is just trying to get you to buy the product without any intentions of fulfilling its promises. For the new system to lose weight fast, click the link in the description. High rated. Always perform a research before you make a purchase. There are different ways on how to gather information about fat burners available in the market. First, you can ask for recommendations from people whom you actually know. You can look for a relative or a friend who lost significant weight. You can also ask them about their experiences with different fat burners for women over 40. You can also read actual studies about different fat burners. Lastly, you can read the opinions of weight loss aficionados in online forums and in blogs. These methods are actually better than undergoing trial and error process. Hydrated. There is a definitely good reason why the human body naturally contains a lot of water. Your body needs it, and it is also an important factor to consider when choosing a fat burner. Look for a fat burner that keeps your body hydrated. Usually, cheap fat-burning products which contain diuretics and caffeine do this. Better look for fat burners with natural components. However, you need to make sure that these natural fat burners come in sufficient strength, or you will just be wasting money. If possible, look for products with pharmaceutical-grade ingredients. Reality. It is also important to choose products which make realistic promises. Whenever you encounter an offer that is too good to be true, best believe that it is exactly that. Most effective fat burners for women over 40 will show results after 2 weeks. If a product offers instant results or results after a couple of days, it is most likely a false claim. It is also best to check the certifications of the product. These certificates should come from authorities such as FDA and GMP. These certificates will ensure that all the ingredients used are safe and effective, and that the fat burners are handled well. Always look for the best, because you deserve nothing less. Discover the best fat burners for women over 40. For the new system to lose weight fast, click the link in the description.